Hello, in this video I'll prepare keto bitterleaf soup, the low carb bitterleaf soup for my keto brothers, sisters and anybody who loves bitterleaf soup but is put off by the starchy cocoyam thickener in the soup. For obstacles, I'll be using ribs. Ribs are known to contain lots of fat, and you know that for keto, you need the oil. You can add other parts like shaki, cow foot. If you are not on a keto diet, you can use any other part of meat that does not contain lots of fat. I'll also be using dry catfish. I'll be using conger eel as thickener. You'll see how I use it as we go on in the video. If you can buy catfish where you live, you can use that too. Bitter leaves, ogiri igbo, seasoning cube, yellow and red habanero pepper or any spicy pepper. The yellow habanero pepper gives bitter leaf soup a special flavor. Salt, palm oil, more oil, and crayfish. I first of all remove the skin of the fish because it makes the pounding or blending easier. Also, I don't like the look of the skin in the soup, but you can include it if you want. Then cook that and the ribs with the stock cube. I pour water just to cover the meat and the fish. That's how I measure the quantity of water. While that is cooking, clean and debone the dry fish. Pick out the long stalks from the bitter leaf and chop it just a little bit. Give it a few chops. When the fish is soft, debone and separate into small pieces. This conger eel contains lots of tiny bones, so you need lots of patience when deboning it so that you can take them all out. This is what it should look like when you are done. Pound it in a mortar or blend in a food processor or in a normal blender with as little water as possible. By the way, the whole process of this keto bitterleaf soup is the same if you want to prepare keto or raw soup. The only thing I do differently is I prefer pounding the fish for keto bitterleaf soup and blend it for keto or raw soup. For me, it makes a difference in the way the soups look. Back to the pot. When the meat is done, add the ogiri, crayfish, dry fish, and the pounded fish. Add palm oil, enough palm oil, and bitter leaves. Cover and start cooking on medium to high heat. Keep an eye on it and stir it often. Once the bitter leaves are soft, it is done. Add salt and pepper to your taste. I'm adding pepper at this time because I'm using fresh pepper. If you are using dry pepper, you can add it at any time while cooking the soup. Stir very well and it's done. My husband said that it looks like egusi soup, and lots of you, yes. When I posted this on YouTube community page and on Instagram, lots of you guessed that it is egusi soup. But it tastes like bitter leaf soup. The lack of cocoyam puts the taste off a little bit, but yeah, it's expected because it's tweaked for keto and low carb. But anybody that loves bitter leaf soup can enjoy this soup. It's yummy. In fact, we can name it a totally different soup altogether so that the elders will not come for us. Name suggestions are welcome in the comments. Serve with any Nigerian fufu meal. It must be low carb fufu if you're on a keto diet. I have lots and lots of low carb fufu recipes on my channel. Click the box on the left right now to watch them. Bye bye. See you soon.